So yeah, utilizing all these things over a blues. I mean, I literally think Autumn Leaves is easier for these 2 and 3 note voicings because of the 2-5-1 nature of it. I can wind through. Notice the B flat major 13 at C minor 11, F7 flat 9. And these became muscle memory. I'm not really thinking about what those numbers are at that point. It's just I know this 2-5-1, you know, in my muscles. So, but then the E flat major 7 sharp 11 is the exact same 3 notes. Here's B flat major 13. Here's E flat major 7 sharp 11. E flat is the 4 chord, therefore sharp 11 is not even an altered weird note. It's in the key. But then it goes to A flat minor 7 flat 5, or to A minor 7 flat 5, and I'm kind of stuck there. I can play this inversion, but I'm not adding a 9 or 11 or anything like that. And then a D7. In this case, I do have to play all 4 strings, so I don't have to, but I really want to because that's the 3rd in the bass of D7, playing that diminished voicing, turning it into a flat 9, a D7 flat 9, and then G minor. And again, on the 1 chord in a minor key, I like to add the 6. That's the 6th that you hear in that Cannonball Adderley Miles Davis version of Autumn Leaves back in the day. Autumn Leaves is an education tune for especially for chord players because of the circle of fifths nature of it. Things make a lot of sense. All the Things You Are is in that same category. Get into 3/4 tunes like Alice in Wonderland. There's so many.